So today, guys, we're not talking about men, or we're not talking about the ocean or fish. We're a traditional way of living is by making or having a dirt oven. In some places, they make dirt houses where they use mud or clay and straw or grass. Here, what we're doing is mixing the mud or clay with grass and water. So we're mixing it up. Has to be a right consistency. Enough mud, enough grass, and they have to mix the mud like if they're making bread. So now they fill the water, or not fill, but enough water, and then they start mixing. So these men have been making this clay oven, the second one that I know of, but this for the past 100 years. The Taylors have been probably one of the first families here in Castara, and these are the two brothers. More mud and the mixer. A truckload of dirt came in this morning. They dumped the dirt here, which they've been using, and they're mixing like they're mixing bread. Once they finish mixing, they're going to apply the mud to the frame made of steel tied up with wire, and then they put the dirt on top of the frame. Mr. Taylor is on the inside, smoothing the inside of the dirt oven. Approximately 15 feet by 8 feet across in a dome-like structure, similar to an igloo. But the only thing is not ice, is mud that they're using. So what Mr. Taylor is doing on the inside is smoothing the inside so that it will be nice and smooth. I give it, put some pressure on it to hold the dirt together. When next they put more dirt, they'll be filling up that empty space up there, and he'll be doing the same thing all morning long. They've been doing this. It's about, must be 3 o'clock now, so a good few hours. So you see the mud is being applied up there. It will be patted in, and sealed in, and then you're going to press the inside. So when you think you're going to finish the dirt oven?
Finish today.
You're going to do all today?
Yeah.
Baking tomorrow. You don't have to let it dry?
No, you will dry it.
You will dry it out with the heat. So just last week they took down the old dirt oven. It was a different shape, but this one is more dome-like, which is a traditional style oven. Dirt oven have been here since the way before slave trade. Carib and Arawaks. Years ago, this is how they used to make houses. The Caribs and Arawaks would make a jupa, right? Is that what they used to call it? A jupa? That's the mud houses. And they would live in this with dirt floor. It's almost like cement. It's working like cement. Once this dries out, it'll be nice and hard. And they'll light a fire tomorrow to dry it out some more. But it's hard work. Not very many people in the village know how to make dirt ovens. It's an art that you have to learn and pass down from one generation to the next. Bread, tarts, pies will be baked here maybe 2 or 3 times a week. People will put their order in and they'll come and pick up their dirt oven bread. More and more people are learning about this and like the flavor of the dirt oven bread better than the bakery bread.